Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. And now it's getting interesting. I showed you here throughout the day for various cryptos and yesterday as well for Ethereum that this here is a wave 4 in my opinion. Yeah, that we've come already here into that target range for that wave 4 and that it could have peaked already. Yeah, and showed you this ascending wedge pattern, which together with this flagpole forms a bear flag. And I emphasized the probability that it drops to the downside, yeah, which would be more likely than going up further, even though this would still be valid. You know, in this yellow target area, the wave 4 could move up further, but we are in this ascending wedge, or we were, because we now in fact broke out to the downside. And then I showed you I can't remember if I did it in the Ethereum video, but it's pretty much they're all doing the same stuff at the moment. Sometimes more, sometimes less. At the moment, they're all following basically the same stuff. So I think I showed you earlier in the Bitcoin video that was that we already could be, after this peak, we already could be in a 5-wave move down in this 5th wave. Yeah, a 5th wave consists of 5 waves, and this here, if the wave 4 has peaked here, you could already be in the wave 1 here. Yeah, this could already have been the wave 2. We might now be in the wave 3, 4, 5. Yeah, obviously not in the correct proportions here, but might be something like that. Yeah, so this is obviously something that's interesting, and let's say that is the wave 2, and I think I would go with that as a primary expectation now. And just need to move closer to the microphone here. I would go with that as the primary expectation now. So basically that this here is a wave 1, that we have a wave 2 here, and that the wave 3 might now be coming. Now at the moment, that's a guess, but the structure looks clearer now than it was earlier today and yesterday. So also if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracements, we hit perfectly the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement for a wave 2, an ideal target, and we had a strong reaction to it. So therefore, I can now say that the wave 2 might have peaked and the wave 4 as well. Yeah. So it's nothing super confirmed yet. When would it be confirmed? It would, to be honest, only be confirmed below this level, below 1950, 1950. Only then it would be confirmed that we have peaked here with a very high likelihood. But also what makes me think that we could have peaked here is that the wave 2 can now be counted. Where is it? It's gone. No, there is. That the wave 2 here can be counted as a 3-wave move with an A, B, C. So that can be counted in a valid way as a 3-wave move. And we could now be in that wave 3 down. One reason for that is that the reaction was quite impulsive. Yeah, and we would then want to see now a wave 3 down. Where would that wave 3 go to? Ideally, yeah, let's take a look at the Fibonacci extensions. To the low, come on, to the high. So ideally we are looking here at the 1.618 Fib extension as a minimum, yeah, to the downside, so rather even lower. I would say between 1835 and 1768. That would sort of be my first shot here at the wave 3, if it then has peaked. But it's currently, while I record this video, looking like it, because you had an ascending wedge bearish pattern. We could have peaked here. We reached the wave 4 target area. We've moved down. We broke out of the wedge. We've retested. We've hit here in this wave 2 the perfect retracement for a wave 2, and we've had a strong reaction. So at the moment, everything is pointing more into that direction, but it's not confirmed until we drop below that $1,950 level. So I will put that line here on the chart. At the moment, we could, we could extend that. Sometimes these move around these patterns, but I would rather go with that for now because it looks so nice, you know, when you break out and the perfect retest here and then moving down. So primarily, as I said in previous videos, primary expectation is that we haven't seen the final drop of this correction yet. I think this is going to happen fairly soon. So this could happen now actually, but again, it's not confirmed yet. Next wave would be down in a wave 3. Then we will have a wave 4, slight retracement to the upside, and the wave 5 down. And that could then end all of these waves here, which are sort of all interlinked, waves within waves and so on. And that could complete here this overall correction that has been with us now for a long time. Where would be a perfect level for finishing these? Well, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. I mean, the $1,700 level is really critical. If we lose that, then I think this wave could end either at around $1,530, so 1530, sort of in that range, yeah, or around 1,300. So these would be ideal levels, also significant support levels. And the thing is, around $1,200 here, 1,300, you've got the 200-week moving average as well. When am I convinced that the overall correction is over? Well, I did explain that a little bit in the Bitcoin video. It will be when we make a new low, yeah, and or at the least when we see on the 4-day chart, when we see a bullish divergence on the 4-day MACD and we start to see it turn around. That is, I think, when I will get more confident, and also on the RSI, when we see that turn around and maybe get a bullish crossover here and there on the 4-day, because that is a really meaningful chart, yeah. So yeah, when we see that bullish divergence, I think we can be more confident that the low is in. I would actually like to see that lower low now, especially as we have come anyway down to that $1,700 level, basically to that previous low. So I would actually like to see that lower low, yeah, before we then really start to move. That would then also be very much in line with the Bitcoin chart, and overall then in the end they will probably all have made the same waves here, and it will look different. It will be something like this, a wave 1 here, an A, B, overshooting wave B like Bitcoin, and then the wave C down here. So in the end they will all have made probably the same wave count, even if during the whole journey here and that overall adventure that we went through here, it looked a little bit different at times, yeah. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.